everyone. Today, our group will present a case study on the electrification in remote communities in the Philippines. In 2020, the government launched what is called the Total Electrification Program. This program was designed to provide the electricity to far-flung and underserved areas in the north, where many households still did not have reliable access to power. To achieve this, the government and the engineers turned to the use of microgrids and renewable energy technologies, such as the solar panels and wind farms.
I'll be discussing the efficiency of microgrids. Microgrids are considered efficient solution for remote electrification in the Philippines because they are localized power systems that can generate and distribute electricity directly to communities without the need for long transmission lines. This makes them three of efficient. The first is efficient. Then minimize energy loss in transmission, reducing amount of energy wasted during transmission and distribution. Second, flexible. They can operate independently when disconnected from the main grid, providing a reliable source of power, even during grid outage. Number 3, accessible. They are cost-effective for areas where extending the main grid is difficult and expensive, making electricity more accessible to remote communities.
Integrating renewable energy into microgrids requires several key electrical engineering principles. Engineers first conduct load analysis to understand the community's power and needs and determine the proper system size. Since solar and wind sources are intermittent, hybrid systems combine energy storage and backup options such as batteries and diesel generators to ensure stability.
This case study highlights the powerful intersection of science, technology, and society in addressing the critical issues of electrification in remote communities. Science provides the foundational understanding of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, explaining how they can be harnessed to generate electricity. Technology brings the scientific knowledge to life through innovative solutions such as microgrids, energy storage systems, and hybrid power systems that combine renewable energy with diesel backup. These technological advancements enable the efficient and reliable delivery of electricity to communities that are often beyond the reach of traditional grid infrastructure. Moreover, the social impact of electrification is profound. Access to reliable electricity transforms lives by enabling better education through improved lighting for studying, enhancing healthcare by powering medical equipment and refrigeration for vaccines, and boosting livelihoods through the ability to run businesses and agricultural equipment.
In conclusion, microgrids powered by renewable energy are a viable solution for remote electrification in the Philippines. By harnessing solar and wind energy, we can provide reliable and sustainable power to communities in need. The application of electrical engineering principles ensures the efficient operation of these microgrids. However, challenges such as intermittency, high storage costs, and maintenance requirements must be addressed. Continued innovation and investment in technology are necessary to overcome these hurdles. By doing so, we can create more efficient and sustainable energy systems. Ultimately, electrification can have a significant impact on society, improving education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. As engineers, it is our responsibility to design and implement solutions that meet technical requirements while considering social and environmental implications. By working together, we can create a brighter future for remote communities and to contribute to a better Philippines.